The ugly Hrithik-Kangana war has now resurrected out of the blue, with the 2016 FIR filed by Hrithik Roshan now being transferred to the crime branch. Remember, Hrithik had accused Kangana Ranaut of sending him thousands of emails and of stalking him as well. This came in after Kangana referred to the actor as a silly ex in an interview. Now, with the case being transferred to the crime branch, Kangana has alleged that Hrithik has not moved on even after 4 years. Here's a look.
Hrithik Roshan's 2016 FIR has been transferred from the cyber cell to the crime branch's intelligence unit. Hrithik had claimed that he had received hundreds of emails from Kangana's email account between 2013 and 2014, and the case was registered by the actor against unknown people under Section 419 of the IPC. This recent development got a prompt response from Kangana, who said that even after so many years of their breakup, Hrithik has refused to move on and has not dated another woman, and we quote Kangana. His sob story starts again. So many years since our breakup and his divorce, but he refuses to move on, refuses to date any woman. Just when I gather courage to find some hope in my personal life, he starts the drama again. Hrithik kab tak roega ek chote se affair ke liye? The case was transferred to the crime branch when Hrithik's lawyer wrote a letter to the Mumbai Police Commissioner saying there has been no progress in the case. Hrithik and Kangana's feud goes back several years when in 2016 Hrithik Roshan filed a lawsuit against his Frisch co-star for damaging his reputation by referring to him as a silly ex. He wanted an apology and clarification from Kangana that he was not the silly ex she was referring to. Hrithik further threatened to sue Kangana for defamation if she did not take back her statement, and Kangana responded with a legal notice denying the charges. Hrithik Roshan may not have commented on Rangoli's tweet calling him a silly obsessive ex, but before the film promotions he was not as forgiving. While promoting Super 30, the actor finally broke his silence about sisters Kangana and Rangoli, referring to them as bullies, and we quote Hrithik. I have come to realize that bullies have to be treated with a certain amount of patience and not be engaged with. It is upon the civil society and those who claim to be just and fair to see and observe if there is harassment. There is no legal case that I directly have with the lady, and the reason I cannot have one is because apparently a guy cannot be stalked in India. In an exclusive interview with India Today, Kangana Ranaut was quick to dismiss Hrithik's accusation.
He needs to first of all get over that phase of our lives. I don't think he's over it.
Okay.
You know, he's still living in that. We've not had an interaction since years. We've not texted each other, we've not spoken to each other, we've not met each other. How did I bully him? Who are these people who are saying that we're being bullied, we've been harassed? You're harassed, you're bullied. Why? Because you see my success, you see me around. If I wasn't around, if I was not here with my voice and, you know, living my days the way I'm, you think they would even care about me? No. These heroes have had these kind of affairs with so many actresses before in the past, isn't it?
Now Hrithik's FIR has been transferred to the crime branch, and we will have to wait and watch if the controversial war of words between Kangana Ranaut and Hrithik Roshan is finally on the brink of closure, or it could just open another can of worms. Entertainment Bureau, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.